So, it's the middle of the night, and I've been having this debate with my beautiful wife, who I love more than anything, that she snores and makes crazy sounds in her sleep. It's been getting worse and worse, yet she denies it entirely and does not believe me. And it's like keeping me awake. So, this is I'm sorry, honey, but this is me getting proof and showing you exactly what I'm dealing with. It's probably going to be dark on the video, but trust me, you'll hear it. Hey, you're snoring and making all kinds of crazy sounds again. I can't believe you didn't wake yourself up. Didn't mean to scare you, but you scared me. So she totally jumped when I said, hey. She didn't really say much. She probably won't even remember it in the morning, but I was kind of hoping she'd argue with me then, but she's a little too tired. She just rolled over and went back to sleep, but she quieted down after that, so. But anyway, can't wait for her to see this in the morning.